Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the digital security clearance feature. This feature is helpful and will save you time, allowing your staff members to use the iCheck-in device to complete a security clearance check for the service each day. To enable this feature, you can click on the service menu and under configuration, click on Settings. You can then click on the iCheck-in tab and click on Enable Digital Security Clearance. To enable it, you can tick the option and click Save. Once you have enabled this setting, you can locate the security clearance feature by clicking on the service menu, and under Configuration, you can click on the security clearance. Please note, to have access to the security clearance feature, your user role access needs to have super user attribute. So let's click on the security clearance. You will see by default a message that's come from the Kidsoft system. Each time you would like to update or create a new security clearance, you can click here to create a new security clearance. This allows you to identify the number of staff you wish to sign each day, and you can select up to 5 staff members. Then you can enter in the security clearance message you wish for staff to read when they log in to the iCheck-in device. Please note, any changes to either the number of staff to sign or to the text of the security clearance message will not display on the weekly sign in and out sheet until the following Monday. However, for both the daily and the iCheck-in reports, the number of staff and the update to the security clearance message will update effective as immediately. For any further information on our security clearance digital feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.